I'm very pleased to talk about this case study, which is about the hydrogen pivot, orchestrating the green transition at VO Sidambarnar Port Authority. In this case study, we experience or understand the challenges faced by this particular port, which is a pioneer in the initiatives of green energy. And this port is very strategically located, has several competitive advantages. It is located, in an operationally calm place near the Gulf of Mannar. They have the advantages of wind energy. They have the contiguous land segments available to them, and they are very strategically placed to invest in green hydrogen. But are they too early in making these investments, or should they slow down and go along with the pace at which the demand is going to be built up? Really, the domestic demand is there in terms of potential. The international demand is still not there. It's people are talking about it, but really, the demand is not yet materializing. So, what should be the strategic options of the sport? Should they go ahead and make large-scale investments and have a volume-led growth and partner with several other entities and give them away the land and start developing the port in that way in an aggressive growth phase? Or should they go slow and say, we will wait only for the top-notch, highest standards of European standards of sustainability, and we will have only those kinds of partnership and command a premium for it. So that can be a premium or a differentiation strategy that they could follow. And thirdly, future path could be one of ecosystem orchestration, which is a very complex, which involves very complex project management and has several complexities. Now, what direction should this port take? And looking at the context of the country, with the National Green Hydrogen Mission and the Amrit Kal Vision, the Sagarmala, and the several initiatives that the government has in terms of the subsidies and all that. Looking at all of these things holistically, this is a very, very interesting, live, and very contemporary case on what are the strategic challenges faced and what direction should this port take. It makes for very interesting reading, and it's very highly educative for MBA students and students of management who are looking at both strategy and finance and or the holistic general management problems. I'm very proud that our director and then one of our retired faculty, Professor Bodhibrata Nag, who was with the railways, Mr. Debi Prasad Das, and myself, we have co-authored this case. And we're looking forward to co-authoring with many other partners in this ecosystem and therefore, creating this narrative of this entire ecosystem in the country about green hydrogen. And we hope you would also enjoy reading this case. Thank you.